The available Park Assist Plus feature can help locate and park in parallel and perpendicular parking spaces between two other vehicles. To activate the system, press the Park Assist button in the lower display. Drive path guidelines will appear in the upper display. Drive slowly within approximately 3 feet from the row of parking spaces. Park Assist will look for spaces on the passenger side by default. To search on the driver's side, activate the left turn signal. When the system finds a suitable space, either perpendicular or parallel, it will appear in the display. If the parking space allows different parking options, press one of the suggested parking options. When the vehicle is in the correct position, the letter P will appear over the selected parking space. Stop the vehicle. The instructions for automatic parking appear in the display. Let go of the steering wheel. Press and hold the Park Assist Plus button. Release the brake. The system steers, accelerates, and brakes automatically. If necessary, release the Park Assist Plus button to pause the parking procedure. Press and hold again to resume. When the vehicle has been parked successfully, park will be engaged and the parking brake will be set. Turn off the ignition. Park Assist Plus can also steer out of a parallel parking space. With the motor started, depress the brake pedal, then press the Park Assist button. Wait for the message to request the direction of travel for exiting the space and activate the appropriate turn signal. Release the steering wheel. When traffic allows, press and hold the Park Assist button, then release the brake. Once exited from the parking space, take over the steering function and drive away. Park Assist Plus turns off automatically once the vehicle reaches approximately 18 miles per hour.